Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the YouTube app on your TV and navigating to sign in. You'll immediately see an 8-digit activation code. You then take your phone or laptop and go to the activation page. Enter that code using the exact characters shown. Make sure you use the same Google account on both devices. This links the TV app to your channel and subscriptions. Once done, watch the on-screen confirmation. It means your TV is authorized to play YouTube under your account. Now focus on permissions and account selection. You'll see a list of Google accounts. Pick the one tied to your YouTube channel. Then, review the permission prompts. Allow access for playback control and personalized recommendations if you want them. If you plan to use your phone as a remote or to cast, enable casting permissions and remote control features. Once you click Allow, the activation completes and the TV app will update with your subscriptions and history. If it lags, wait a few seconds while it syncs. Finish by testing playback. Select any video and confirm your signed-in avatar appears on the TV. That proves the link. If the code doesn't work, don't panic. Close the YouTube app, reopen to generate a new activation code, and retry the steps on your device. Make sure both TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi band. Sometimes routers isolate devices across 2, 4, and 5 GHz. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restart your router if devices can't see each other. This clears local network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.